It's me, Davai, and we're back to View, my recent project that connects Vue.js, this UI framework, with the GunDB, the P2P, very interesting, very fast graph database. With all the crypto fancy things that I really like and explore with this app. And not only the app, but the components that are usable to build many apps, as many as you wish, from just simple to rather complex. Today we are celebrating the version 0.6. So I want to show you how I manage the versioning, and we'll bring it to the version 0.6.0 now. So I'll run the change set script, and it will ask me if I want to choose the packages that are going that will update their versions, and these are the apps that I've edited heavily during this time, and I will show you what updates do we have. But now I hit enter, and it's not a major bump but minor bump, and we select all of them again and say that it's stability plus 10, and it's true, and we're gonna check it together. So this is the version update. So now I get this just a change set file, so it's like this. And I have a previous file, and they are storing the data that will be added when I hit the version. So npm run version, this command, and here what we have now, we're having all the package JSON versions updated automatically, and also we have change logs in the root of the folder, so components, composables, demo, and docs, and we have everything in sync because I have the change set config JSON set here, so these apps and these packages are linked, and change set will treat them all together, and their versions will be in sync. So we have everything ready to go, ready to publish. We have everything updated, and now all we have to say that this is a version 0.6.0 and sync these changes, and that's all. Now we go and just publish. So as you may see, when I hit publish, we run npm build and then the publish, and I want to show you how does it look to build it for the publishing, how fast is it, how reliable is it. So let's go publish. So the composables are built, then the components are built to these components, and it's pretty lightweight. Yeah, the VitPress docs, and finally the app. And now we're getting everything published. So there are some zip files generated, and that's it. Yeah, we have it published. And let's push the tags to GitHub and have it here. Yeah, tags. Yeah, so let's have components a release, and yeah, it's really big thing for me. So let's add more things, and let's say it's stability plus 10. This version is like this, and let's check if I can auto-generate something. I don't know if it will work. Oh, something worked. Full change log. I don't know. Let's leave it as it is. So okay. Yeah. Okay, never mind. The main thing is, yes, we have this version here, and of course at npm js we will have it updated to, yes, so 0.6.0. So we have the app up and running. There are some downloads. People have already have some fun with it, and let's have fun together. So we go to the gunviewjs.org, and we have here, yes, we can go to the docs. So but before that, let's play with the space. So here's our space, and yeah, I just clicked it, and now I have two options: to create new account and just click and generate something pretty, but I have already. Oh, I can go back. Okay. So I click again. I have a JSON file. I like to log in with, you see, the encrypted pair. So I have a pair encrypted with this password. Yes, the name is the password, but we got pretty, and here we are. I've logged it as a pretty nice user, and instantly I'm just roaming in this 2D plane, in this space, and there's nobody here. I'm alone, and it's pretty lonely. So the thing with GunView is it's a collaborative experience, and it's very fun if you get some friends into it. Just as you go, take another user. Let's generate a new account. Let's find some beautiful, face. I like this greenish orange. So I need a password. Okay, I'll go back with pretty. Okay, and okay, let's just save it as a JSON. Okay, that's it. Or I can just have a QR code. Or the best thing, the most fun thing is, oh yeah, I just have a link that has all the data encrypted here, and the key is encrypted in the link. So now all we need to put here is the password that's used to encrypt the key, and yeah, the key is decrypted, and we are logged in with this newly created account as here. It doesn't have any info, but we can add here and say it's greeny. Yeah, pretty greeny. And yeah, that's really fun to say that. I have a city of Monte, okay. A city, maybe I have an age. Age like 32. Okay, that's pretty funny. Yeah, and soon I'll get some pictures here and everything else. But for now, I had some fun with other things. So we have all the users up and running. So I can move this user, this pretty, and this user, this greenie, and then I can mate them, like link them. So now greenie, I don't know, like, so friend is mates and links is linked with pretty, and vice versa. We can have them both interlinked. Yeah, it's nothing much in it. So like when we go to the users, so it's users and then the pop key of a user, we can have the link to that user, and yeah, we can browse them back and forth because they are just mates to each other. But we can unmate here, and we'll just unfollow, yeah, this, and hopefully it will update here. No, it's not updating, but yeah, after updating, but yeah, adding a link, yeah, it reactively adds and it doesn't disappear, but it's not a big problem. I'll update this later. So we now have these starred posts. So the pretty this account here has like likes, and here is the post, and the feeds and the post are the main thing that got some updates. For now, I just want to show you that now I just disconnect from here, like the pulse disappears. There is no pulse on this user, and after some timeout it disappears, and it's clean again. So I have all the users listed somewhere in the database, but they are not updated, and so they are not displayed. So we can have fun with together in real time. Okay, and we're back. Everything is back again, and let's just jump into the feeds. So feeds are much faster. There is too much crap here that I was adding during the development project. I tried not to break everything, but make everything more stable in case of some damaged records, and yeah, still some weird titles are here, but any title is here, and this graph is an immutable graph, and now we want to look at it from here. Yeah, so what do we have here? Yeah, we get all the users, and when I visited the space, we loaded all the users, but just we update here, so there's just not too much data downloaded from the graph. So everything on this page now just comes from the tags, so it's an immutable list. So we have a hash of a string, and the string is the name of the feed, so and the address of it, the path. So but just the names here, and then we can go inside. Yeah, so we dive inside, and we have some random data here. Okay, let's find maybe some better way. I recall that demo was quite nice. Maybe demo, yes, it should load the data, or yeah, I need to upload. Sometimes we still have to refresh the app, but it's less. It's stability plus 10, not plus 100, but plus 10. So yeah, that's the post that I liked, that the pretty user liked or starred, and yeah, that's it. So what do we have here? And here it becomes somewhat interesting, because this is a format. It's quite beautiful. You know, it's fluid. Yeah, it's nice to have it in different sizes. On your phone it will be okay, on an iPad, for example, and on a huge desktop. Yeah, that works quite fine. Yeah, much to improve, but it's okay now, it's usable. And the most interesting thing is how the data is structured. So the fun thing is, so here's the demo. Yeah, and here's the records in it. So there's plenty of them, and there are with the picture, but it's an old kind of posts. Now what do we have? Let's go to the light. So I had the light. Now let's go there to again, and here is light. So there are some random posts, like heck, yeah, like I don't know. And here we have the light feed, like a list of posts, and a post is just a title, you know, icon and cover, and here we have the hashes. So we don't save the base64 encoded media into the post. So the post is just a little thing to store and to grab from the database, and it should be fast even with thousands of them. So it's pretty reliable that we can have everything like this in public space, instantly updated, and still have fun, and don't lose the app in infinite loops. So yeah, we have these things, and then when a card receives the hash, it says, okay, I'll go and load it, and I'll load it from here, covers and icons, and these are the beasts. So here are all the base64 encoded images. So it's a PNG. I already know this signature. It's a PNG file with this hash, and it's hash content addressed. So if anyone adds, say, another post with the same picture as an icon or as a cover, it won't be duplicated. It will be that one media file. So let's create a new demo version of our app. So I don't know why it's 3, because it's an empty tag. So it's an empty feed we've created, and we can add here a title. So celebrate version 0.6.0, like this. Today is January 22nd of 2022. Yeah. Then we get to some icon. We upload an icon, a square media file. It may be a PNG, a JPEG, and also we go and get the yeah, let's check this one, and we get the cover. Oh no, I've closed it. sorry. Sometimes there are not those layers that we want to click. Okay, I'll tell it, I'll name it another. Let it be like this. And again, so we celebrate version 0.0.6.0, and we have it today. And yes, we'll load the icon and the cover. Oh, let's take this square cover. Yes, and of course we can have a YouTube link, but I'll just add some like change log, and let it be a header, and I'll take like this, like a link, like a list here, and into the list we'll put some code, and npm igun components, like an instruction, for example. Let's check it. Yeah, I like how it looks, but maybe it should be, yeah, header 2. Some styling is broken, but it's okay. So one very fun thing is that we can upload a markdown file to use, yeah, as the content here. So we can edit it, we can work with it, and then add it to the post. But for now, I'll stay with this. Okay, save. We save it, and yeah, we have all the things ready. I don't have the preview button working for now, but it definitely will be added later. And now we let's just submit and celebrate. So yeah, here we have our post. Yeah, I can update it, or like refresh it. And what do we what do we have here? So it's the cover, the icon, the title, description, and the icons about the contents. So we know that we have some markdown content here. It's pretty nice. Maybe I need to stretch it more, but this is how it looks on bigger screens, and yeah, it's nice. It's nice. And you may find that we have I've got it a star. So let's check my account. Yeah, and here I have the starred post, this new post 49 seconds ago, and yes, we can download it as a zip file to our desktop, and it's constructed. We have the file celebrate. Yeah, so it's packed. We can unpack it on our computer, and we can see here's the cover, here's the icon, and here's the markdown file that has the title, the description, links to the files, not the base64 encoded files. I get them extracted and put in on the side, and the markdown content that may be parsed in many ways, like in the WordPress docs or anywhere else, and any static site generators. So we may use this as a authoring platform. So we can load here some things, load them together, and then download everything or upload it to another place, and it makes you really own the data. So let's add a second place here. So a second post, like to explore the abilities to export the zip files of not only one post but a couple of them. So celebration goes nice. And yeah, let's just have a Rick Ross, of course. Oh, Rick Roll. Yeah, copy the link, go to YouTube. Yeah, we get it here. And more inside. Okay. Yeah, so this is the post. The color is derived from the hash of the post, of the contents, and you can memorize it with these. So the color and these data is immutable. And yeah, we have the video, the very important video of our internet posted. And let's have another one, because I want to upload this picture of a black hole. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry, I've closed it. Okay, but we can browse it back again, and let's finally load maybe this picture. I've already loaded it once, so oh my god, I forgot that I need to do a little bit of, yeah, I don't have the under layer working nice, but it's okay. So graphics, yeah, like simple graphics. Yeah, so here is our feed, our group of posts that are immutable, they are anonymous, and that are easily loaded into other browsers, and they store this data. Yeah, we sometimes the graphics load not instantly as we want, but after a little time, a little loading, they get to the clients, and this is stability, as I think, as I feel it. So yeah, we can just grab it, and then we can just download it, and yes, we have the PNG file back with us, and also the MD file that says, yeah, graphics, and the PNG that is near in the folder. Maybe I should make this hashed, and not just a cover, but a hash of the contents.png, but I think it may be a little bit cluttered. So for now it's just folders, and I don't verify the data, but if I want to, so like, let's say we have 0.1 version, and it's pretty much the same, so we can upload a zip file, take this celebrate zip and open it. Yeah, boom, we got the version that we've downloaded. It was just only one post, but it's here, we're back here. And yeah, it works, and it works in a pretty interesting way. So let's go to some, I don't know, some random posts, and yeah, we can oh, let's go where we have some more posts, yeah, like this. So what are we able to do with the post now? So yeah, we can star it, and I will star maybe the gun view project itself, so it's like the info as it was previously, but yeah, it's markdown content and title and subtitle. So yeah, and of course we can refresh the post, and it goes up. So everything that has is newer, so it's posted again, and this same hashed data is it has a more fresh timestamp, so we can use it to sort these items, and yeah, it's a quite interesting thing to explore. And the last thing is that we can ban a thing. So yeah, let's ban couple of things here, like this too. So I've banned these. They're red, and I cannot unban it for now. Yeah, it's pretty much banned instantly and forever, because if I update the page, these banned posts are not displayed, and it's because now they are in the ban, and we can and everything that is in the ban will get blocked in other feeds. It's quite fun actually, but I think that I will elaborate on that and maybe make it editable, so just a public graph space, not immutable content addressed. Or you may want to browse everything just through someone who has spent some time cleaning up and making a collection. So the collections will be just here, as I have this starred post by this user, and other users can have their posts start posts, and yeah, they're pretty huge now, but we can have just tags that contain posts, and it may be a nice way to browse everything. Just go to the user's page and browse through them and through their stars and what do they post. And here we are coming to the things that will be done, that should be done, and it's mainly about other modes of using Gun View this system. So of course I want to build some end-to-end encrypted chat, and it's pretty easy now with all these complexities just abstracted away with just user and maybe the QR code sharing thing and copy, and on Safari on iPhone you have the share button and you can send it to anyone with any messenger or something, and everything is working okay and fine. And yeah, it's just a matter of building some small adaptations, like we have to start from composables and build a composable, like use messenger, and then there will be a component like message, the folder, and then messenger, the folder, and some components there, and then we will import them into the demo here, into the pages, into a new folder, and the last thing will be to manage the docs. But I have really good experience with JS.2md. So this script isn't working, but we have this script working for us. So it's running JS.2md with some interesting adaptation optimization. So it's handlebars, very strange language, like handlebars template, but I've managed to make it do what we all expect from it. And yeah, we can go to the docs section, and it's pretty nice WordPress standard theme, and we can go to components. Oh, we have this huge and fabulous button that I'll have to contain with the relative, but it's a little thing to worry about, because we can see those users moving around and in the docs, and it's just one script simple tag here, and yeah, it's running, it's doing what it should do, and yeah, the create new account and everything like that is just in here in the components. So it's really, this code is in the user icon. Yeah, so this is the example, and here is the little bit hacky way to use gun view in server-side rendered environment. So I have problems with gun running in the build phase of VitPress, but I have these problems covered here. So I have the docs about how to make the gun view components work in the SSR, and yeah, we just need to use these the component like a loader that will import it only on mounted. That's the thing, that we import it only on client side, and it makes everything work very nice. Yeah, so we have these things working, and the main thing here, the main update with version 0.6 is that we have the docs here that are automatically generated by the JSDoc2MD, and yeah, they look pretty nice with these new template adjustments. Yeah, here with these things I deleted some little unnecessary things, just tune this a little, and it's mainly copy paste, and now we have this like use gun, and we have everything here with examples, and I think that use post is pretty nicely, yes, documented with all the examples, with the example of post data as it is exported by the use post, and I think it's pretty universal. Yeah, I thought there were people saying that isn't it too app-centric? Yeah, it's a little bit app-centric, but you can just fork it if you need something really not so post-like, but we can build it too. Yeah, we can have posts, we can have, I don't know, tweets, we can have everything, and mainly we can have it just through some options. So now we have just the tag and hash. So it's a string and two strings, and we have all the data from our database. Simple as that. And we can, and it's not very complex of a code. You see that we can go to the post and see that that's not such a crazy thing. Yeah, we just get a gun instance. It's a reactive object. We have gun. Yeah, so when we use post, we start gun that gets timestamps and gets some data, and it's JSON parses it, or it will use it as a base 64 if it's just an icon or a cover that are stored as a base 64, and we get the post back. So everything that we wanna do that is in the UI, and UI is, you know, very easy to malleable. Yeah, my components for now on the version 0.6 aren't very configurable, and they're just pretty much a whole lot of PugJS. Yeah, we have a script setup of Vue 3 with we load the view things, functions, we load the composables, some helpers in the page, or some other component, and yeah, we have the bug with windy CSS. So yeah, I don't think this is the final view of that. I don't have script styles here at all, and I think yeah, we definitely should rename this thing to like page main, like page. Okay, it will be scoped, so page, and we'll get every layer of the CSS to the styles. But it's so easy and fast to prototype, to move around, to just set some z-index sticky, and to try it here, and all those things are so convenient when I build a component this of a size, because yeah, if we just have it as HTML, yeah, it's pretty big. It's so many layers, so many divs, so many it should be 5 or 6 components, but I like that I can prototype very fast, very easy with the Pug and Windy, and then it's easy to just take it away to another component, because we don't have to bother about the styles and the scope of those styles, and yeah, it's fast. But of course, for example, I really think that we should have a dark version of this UI, and yeah, for some reason, for the reason of the speed and more deep dive into the mechanics, I don't have dark version for now, but it's really buildable. We just need to go through the more stable components as we have them, because yeah, we have 100 feeds. They load very fast. It's just a bunch of strings, and then we go deeper, and then it loads some data. No, it's not here, but here it is. Yeah, and it's pretty fast. Yeah, so it's version 0.6.0. We don't have many modes, new modes for now, but it's a bit of work, some time to invest, and the main thing is that I don't want 100 of components but a very poor quality. But no, let's get some let's say 10 modes, but really nicely built, because then we can combine them and mix them, and work on the customizations, and of course we can use them as a templates for our new methods, because yeah, no, there's no problem if you just copy and paste this simple script like use account and have all the data you want in your app just from importing gun and some view components. It's that easy, and maybe someone will port it to React. I don't mind really, but I like Vue with Bug, with it, Windy CSS, and I think that's it for now. Let's celebrate the version 0.6.0. I'm really glad to have it, to be able to have so much fun with it. So like I go to pretty, yeah, everything is in this client too, and yeah, it works on mobile pretty fast, pretty reliable, with all these movements and everything we need. So I want to show you that I've updated the relay docs, and they're pretty easy to comprehend, I hope, because yeah, we can run it not only a server, yeah, on any device. and just remix a glitch project here, and you can run and your own relay peer, just remix this project and have your own address for free. And yes, this video will appear here as a 0.6.0 version. And yeah, that's it for now. And hope you enjoy the progress. Hope it inspires you to build something with view and gun view or something else. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.